Hey everyone, welcome to another unboxing video. Today we are unboxing the stunning HIMI Metallic Gouache 12 color set, a must-have for anyone looking to add shimmer and shine to your artwork. This comes in a vibrant yellow case that's both stylish and functional, perfect for keeping your paints organized and portable. This set features 12 dazzling colors, including pearl white, pearl yellow, pearl orange, pearl red, gold, silver, pearl yellow green, pearl teal, pearl sky blue, pearl purple, and pearl black. These paints have a creamy, smooth consistency that makes them a dream to work with. You can already see the rich, vibrant hues waiting to be explored. As we swatch these gorgeous metallics, you'll notice how smoothly they glide onto the paper, with each shade offering a unique, eye-catching finish. From the bold brilliance of gold and silver to the vibrant hues like pearl teal and pearl purple, these colors bring a touch of magic to any project. They are so perfect for adding accents to illustrations, enhancing details in calligraphy, or creating luminous highlights in abstract art. These metallic paints also shine beautifully on dark or toned paper. Use them to embellish greeting cards, elevate journal pages, or adding a dazzling touch to handmade gifts and decor. The coverage is flawless, the metallic finish is radiant, and they blend effortlessly, making them versatile for any creative endeavor. With flawless coverage, radiant metallic finishes, and a convenient yellow case, this set is perfect for artists of all levels. So let me know in the comments which color you're most excited to try, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.